boys? Welcome back to another video. Of course, we're always at the gas station. Always starting the video at the gas station, man, because dude, this car freaking eats. The M5 is honestly not as bad, but this one is honestly not that bad either. But it's not good for anything. It's not good for the highway or the streets. Like, it eats like this, honestly, the same mileage on the streets and highway. It's freaking crazy. At least the M5 actually holds up better. But we'll do a little simple little POV. I didn't get new tires, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. But of course, we're gonna send it where it's close corner, like close areas, so it sounds really juicy. Get new tires next week, so I'm kind of hyped for that. So first, I'm gonna go to the tire shop and get like make sure they have anything in stock. If they don't, order it, and even possibly get it done tomorrow. Hopefully, that'll be kind of. Dude, this car is, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, I love the M5. It's smooth, but this car is also really comfy, and the power just feels good, man. Obviously, low end it's trash, but like high end it's freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. Never gets old, man. Never gets old. I'm so happy that like this is one of the best juicy, like the best sounding like most of the cars there is. This hypes me up, dude. Right now this thing sounds crazy. Woo! No whine at all, dude. That's the only thing that sucks, is when it's straight pipe like this, you can't hear the whine at all. Holy. Oh my gosh, this guy's going like hella slow. Okay, can I get around this guy? Holy. What the heck? I'm also in automatic mode, so it's kind of nice. I don't have to shift right now. This thing sounds sick right now. Since I'm not shifting, it's kind of different. I'm not used to it. And a lot of people like in the comments say like when I'm filming with one hand, for example. To be honest with you, bro, these streets are so easy to drive that I can drive this with my knee, legit. Like, that's how easy these streets freaking are. And bro, I drive, like, I'm not even kidding with you guys, like 3 hours a day. Luckily I get paid for it, so I'm not tripping, but like this is freaking nothing, bro. This is like, I can do this with my eyes closed. Obviously not, but if there was some kind of way of guiding me with my eyes closed, I would easily do this, bro. And another thing I noticed is that like I got really good at my job once I was able to do it with my eyes closed. Bro, I literally can take apart any component in a machine just using my eyes, because I know what material is made out of. And when there's things like that are really high precision, it's usually made out of very unique metal, and a lot of time it's like it's magnetized and stuff like that. So I can use some type of powder. If I have powder, there's this powder that connects to like magnetic components, and it's like not harmful. So I can kind of like test if there's something wrong, like if magnet is damaged. Because a lot of times with these machines I'm working on, they use like magnet to measure as measuring systems, which is like very accurate. And when they get damaged, they're so precise. If they get damaged, it's done for. So I'm kind of dealing with that issue right now. Kind of sucks, but literally 2,000 RPM, and it sounds like this. That's freaking crazy. It's literally the whole neighborhood's echoing right now. love how where I'm at, bro, it's just like strictly neighborhoods. There's no like big cities out of nowhere and super tight streets. Like it's majority of the time like the same, which is why I freaking love it. Dude, Cali is so green right now, bro. I freaking love it. I love how the weather's always so amazing here. Taxes suck for sure. That's why you need a business for sure in LA, bro. Like that's why everyone that lives here, most of these people have businesses. I mean, not most people here. I've noticed people got these houses for a really good price, so they don't really need a business, but you can still live pretty good without a business. You gotta just invest all your income and then let that income pay for itself. Like let that income pay for taxes, like dividend stocks and all that stuff. Dividend stocks is OP, bro. I did not realize how OP they are. Manual mode is way better. Automatic mode's like good when you're like going off a dig or something. It knows which RPMs to be in and stuff, or which gear, I mean. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Oh, dude, guys, I'm tripping right now. I think here there used to be trees, hella trees. Yo, this is crazy. Someone bought all this land. There's no way they're about to build crazy neighborhoods here now. Oh my gosh, they did cut down all the freaking trees. Dude, they're expanding. Dude, this place doesn't stop growing like that. Who bought all this and now gonna build neighborhoods here? Like, I'm trying to join that freaking project. That's crazy. That's sick. Like I was like low-key tripping for a second. Like, my brain could not comprehend that. I'm so used to seeing trees here. I was like confused. I'm like, dude, did I take the wrong? Look, they cut down more trees. It was just full of trees here before. That's, dude, good for them, man. Whoever's building houses here, good for freaking them. Yeah, they smoothed out all this land over here too. Dang. It's gonna get packed out over here, bro. This place is not gonna stop getting packed. Like, look, I'm on the side of the mountain, guys, and I'm pretty close to the city still. Like, these are all mountains, and sooner or later, bro, it's just gonna be a bunch of freaking neighborhoods. It's gonna get overcrowded, dude. I don't even know I don't even know what I'm gonna do after it gets too crowded. Cause I've seen where like some areas where it gets too crowded, bro, it sucks. Like, it's not the vibe. So we'll see when that time comes. That's so lit. I'm so happy my business consists of like driving into customers, because like, I can literally, someday I probably will use this for work. Like the trunk in here, bro, there's so much freaking room. If I can put like heavy duty seating in the back seat, I can fit like all the tools I need for this job, bro. Dude, this thing's too loud now. Bro, like, look at these neighborhoods, they gotta expand this street or something, because if they're building more neighborhoods around here, bro, it's gonna get packed, hella packed. Literally, it went from like a 2 lane to 1 lane out of nowhere too. It's a sketch. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Feels amazing, bro. Feels so good. Holy crap. Sorry, the lighting's kind of doo-doo, but it gets freaking bright as crap in LA. In person's obviously way better. This thing feels good, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've been inside an M4. I've been inside a Lambo, McLaren. McLaren's crazy. McLaren's crazy. Nothing compares to McLaren. I'll be real with you. Lambo Huracan is sick, but slow. 720S is sick, but the sound needs to be modified. You need to modify the sound. You need to get straight pipe for sure. Hellcat's one of the best cars I've been in. M5s are one of the best cars I've been in. Best sounding cars. Mercedes-Benz cool, but there's pros and cons in my opinion. Yo, freaking amazing, dude. I can't get over it, man. When I drive these cars, I just want to keep making more money so I can take this car to like 100,000 miles and not feel guilty, man. That's all I want to do is I want to bring a bunch of passive income so I can just keep spending all of it, bro, because you only live once. You're definitely not gonna get rich saving. I'll tell you freaking that. I didn't start making good money until I literally just took risks, started my own business. That's how you make real freaking money. You're not freaking saving it until freaking death, bro. Obviously, you shouldn't be dumb and buy 2 cars like I did, but freaking whatever, bro. Just gotta work harder. Just gotta make more money. The problem is that I waste money. The problem is I need to make more money. That's the freaking problem, dude. Crazy. Oh my gosh, the downshifts are amazing on this thing, dude. Ooh, crazy downshifts. I'm not even like redlining it. I'm not even redlining it either, bro. Like this car can take a beating, bro. So I freaking love this thing. Frick. Amazing. Damn, this fool's going hella slow. I need to tune this thing. I need to tune it. I look, you want to tune it, and I want to like not turn down the power, leave it the way it is. But I just want to switch to E85. I just want this thing to wind up a little bit like louder, but like not pulling as much power, so I don't slip like crazy. Because if I put any more power, bro, I'm just gonna be slipping. And it's just gonna sketch. Because dude, one time I've experienced it where the back tires just go out, and dude, when they go out, bro, you're gone. Like. The front end is gone. Like, you can't catch it. It's done. Luckily, every time I had, like, enough room to catch myself in the front. But if there wasn't a street like this, bro, I'll be, dude, screwed. Yo. About to go on my favorite freaking street right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, freaking amazing, dude. Freaking amazing. Oh, those pops. Dude, this tree is freaking beautiful. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love how in all my videos I'm going the speed limit too. Like I can easily go like, I'm gonna be honest with you, on these streets, bro, you can easily go 100. And I don't go over 100 is the best part, bro. I don't go over the speed limit. That's why I love these cars, bro. I enjoy in the low gears. Like with my Audi, bro, I feel like I had to drive the freeways because I don't know. It's just all cars are kind of, I don't know, dude. You have to really go all out to really enjoy cars. Whoa. Oh, okay. I was tripping for a second. I was like curious why that car is over there. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.